So friends, welcome to a new crypto update video. Today we're going to take a closer look at Hbar or Hbar. You've been asking for this in the Telegram group over the last few days. There were also huge pumps here, so I thought, okay, let's do a little early update here. The other coins are of course still on the list and will continue to be added gradually. If you want to have more coins analyzed, please write in the comments below, or of course, the free Telegram talk and signal group. You can find the links for that for free in the video description. But before we get started, please leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything, and as I said, feel free to leave a comment down below. And if you want to trade, stake, or do anything else with Hbar, you can do that at my partner exchange. Find the free link in the video description, in the comment section. That way you support me and of course the channel. So, now let's get into the analysis. We're currently trading at 33 cents. Of course, all these ISO coins, like I said, starting with XRP, Hbar have risen enormously in the last few weeks of 2021 and also in the last few days. We've formed our top here at 39 cents and you can already see these two green lines. We'll talk about those in a moment. And yes, we had our sell-off towards the R pivot at around 27 cents. Then we had another huge push. XRP has also followed suit. For everyone, feel free to check out the XRP analysis from Friday. It's still quite relevant. And we had pretty much the same move with Hbar now. It had run a bit ahead, again in this corrective movement. What I don't really like here at the moment is that there's been a bit of loss of momentum. Of course, we've broken through the golden pocket with a 4-hour candle, but then we left it again with the next one, and since then we've been in a bit of a consolidation. Honestly, I don't really like this. Further bullish price targets upwards. The second point, and for those who have been following the channel for a while, you know that we're currently looking at the funding fees quite often, and they are really high. Especially at Hbar, it has been going on for quite some time now that a lot of long positions have been opened here. That means the downside potential is very large, especially because of the liquidations. Because the deeper we fall, the more a downward liquidation spiral can suddenly start, and everyone will be liquidated, which is why going into long positions here at the moment is very dangerous in my opinion. But there are also people who, and this is interesting for most of you, I wouldn't recommend shorting here just yet. My motto is short is mort in a bull run, especially in such an upward trend. But let's take a look at the daily time frame. I've already mentioned it. The green line here is crucial from a daily perspective. This is our golden pocket from our all-time high at 57 cents, and we've just fallen right into it. You know my price targets for the bull run are usually the golden pocket from the last all-time high, and we've already been rejected from there several times. We have a very high RSI, very high funding, and we have bearish divergence. These are all factors for anyone looking to spot and maybe sell a bit. In my opinion, it makes sense because we're at a very important resistance level. There was a lot of price action here in the past, so it's very important to consider taking some partial profits. The other question, of course, is where can we find new entry points? We'll take a look at that shortly. We have a lot of confluence in exactly one area. So from the fib level of our low down here at around 4 cents to our top, we see that the golden pocket from this upward movement is exactly between 16 and 18 cents. At the same time, we have a nice demand zone down here on the daily that gives us support and a previous consolidation. We have a lot of confluence in exactly one area. So from the fib level of our low down here at around 4 cents to our top, we see that the golden pocket from this upward movement is exactly between 16 and 18 cents. At the same time, on a daily basis, we still have a nice zone down here that gives us support and a previous consolidation area. And then when we impulsively left this range here, this green box here upwards, that would actually be a perfect breakout. There's also a retest scenario here for Hbar. So if we go down again, it would be another entry opportunity between, let's say, 19 cents down to 16 cents as a buying zone with a nice rebound, and then impulsively breaking through the golden pocket upwards would be the ideal scenario based on the current situation. Otherwise, the next potential chance would be down here, in my opinion, between, let's say, 9 to 6 cents. You can see the purple line. That's the EMA, which is also very crucial and tends to be tested. Support during bull markets. So those would be the two buying zones that I currently see. As I said, I would stay away from doing anything on the smaller time frames right now. Of course, shorting is definitely much more lucrative. Jumping into longs here because of funding, etc. In my opinion, it doesn't make sense. Decreasing volume, rising funding over the weekend, usually not a good sign in my opinion. So be careful with that. We now have the spot buying zones, we have trading opportunities, but I would say to leave those alone for now. It's just too risky. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below about what you think, and otherwise I would say we'll catch up in the next update video. I'll definitely be bringing up things like hype coins more often so you can stay up to date. That's it from my side. I wish you all a nice Sunday, take care, and until then, bye bye, and as always, stay crypto.